It won't hurt you.
Oh, wonderful Marsha did that. Marsha.
E.T. home phone.
We really haven't had a completely successful test of this equipment.
There's a kid out there under the Halloween moon with a costume that's made the whole world swoon. No ghost, no ghoul, no superhero dream. Just Miles in his vending machine. Oh, he's not here to haunt, not here to scare. Just bring snacks, a Halloween flair. Tonight's the night he's taking his throne with candy and treats. He's in a league of his own. Oh, cast your vote for Miles tonight, the vending machine king in the spooky light. Forget the babies and the clowns you've seen. Miles in his costume, Halloween's dream. Others tried with costumes bought online, but Miles' vending machine was a real design. He's got the snacks, he's got the flair. No candy shortage when Miles is there. No baby drum could ever sway. This is Miles' night, he's here to say. From ghostly streets to doorbell rings, everyone knows who the Halloween king is. Oh, cast your vote for Miles tonight, the vending machine king in the spooky light. He's got the look, the charm, the scene. Make Halloween great with that vending machine. So let's raise a cheer, let's shout his name. Miles is the champion in this costume game. From house to house, down every street, Miles and his vending machine just can't be beat.